Hey, this is Rob. I'm going to show you how to lock your keypad with a 4-digit code. To set a passcode for the keypad on the Nokia 8110 4G phone, we need to go into the Privacy and Security section in the menu. Press the main menu button here. Go down to the Settings icon. Here it is already highlighted. Press the center button. The settings window appears. We need to go to the right. Press the right side of the main button here. This is the personalization section. Go to the right one more time. And there it is, the privacy and security section. We want the screen lock, which is on top and already highlighted. So press the center of the main button. We get this message. Screen lock allows you to set a 4-digit passcode which protects your phone from intrusions. On top you see screen lock off and it is highlighted. Press the center button to go into screen lock. Go up to on. Press the center button. Up top we enter a 4-digit code, and on the bottom we need to confirm the passcode. I will enter 1, 2, 3, 4 as the passcode. After you enter the 4th number, then the phone will automatically goes down to the confirmation. So enter the passcode again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here on the right it says Create. Choose Create by pressing the button here. Up top it says Passcode Created. I will go back to the main screen by pressing this back button here. Go back again. This is the main menu. Go back again. Now we are at the main screen. I'll shut the phone. The screen turns off. I'll open the phone. And here it now says, please enter 4-digit code. 1, 2, 3, 4. After you enter the 4th digit, the phone automatically unlocks. To turn off the passcode, go back to the Privacy and Security section in the menu. The main menu, go down to Settings, press the center button, go to the right twice, enter Screen Lock, go to Screen Lock again, go down to Off, press the center button. This screen appears. To turn off the screen lock, you need to enter the passcode. This passcode is 1, 2, 3, 4. We get a message up top, Screen Lock Off. I will go back by pressing the back button. Go back again, shut the phone, open the phone. Now we see the screen lock passcode is off. If we want to turn the passcode back on, we have to start like new, like we never created a passcode before. Go to the main menu, go down to Settings, go to Privacy and Security, go into Screen Lock, press Enter, go up to On, press Enter. So we're back at creating and confirming a passcode. I'll enter 1, 2, 3, 4. Confirm the passcode. 1, 2, 3, 4. Press this button for Create. We get a message up top, Passcode Created. And here it says Screen Lock is on. To change a passcode, go down to Change Passcode. Press the center button. You have to enter your original passcode. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now enter your new passcode. I will use 4, 3, 2, 1. Confirm the passcode. 4, 3, 2, 1. Here it says change. Press this button to confirm the change to the passcode. We get a message up top, passcode changed. I'll go back to the main screen. Shut the phone. Open the phone. Enter my new passcode, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we are in. Okay, that's it. That's how to lock your keypad with the passcode on the Nokia 8110 phone. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to this channel.